Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make these super cute octopuses. I've already made a few and honestly I can't stop. They turn out so adorable every time. They're fun, quick and perfect even for beginners. You can make them in all sorts of colors and styles and each one always looks a little unique, which I absolutely love. I also made another version, me their big brother. He's a little larger and has longer tentacles. And in my next tutorial, I'll show you how to make their big sister. So make sure to come back for it. Alright, let's get started. For this tutorial, I'm going to use Baby Bee Adora Ball yarn from Hobby Lobby, but you can use any plush yarn you like. I also use Yarn Art Dolce to make the dark blue octopus. Also, you're gonna need a 5mm crochet hook, scissors, stitch marker, needle threader, yarn needle, safety eyes, these are 6mm, just a little bit of stuffing. Let's start by making a slip knot. Then chain 2. In the second chain from the hook, make 6 single crochets. This will form our magic ring. At the end of round 1, you should have 6 stitches. Now we're going to do round 2 with 6 increases. Start with 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Then place a stitch marker here to mark the beginning of the round. Next, work another single crochet in the same stitch. That's your first increase. Continue by making 2 single crochets in each stitch all the way around. By the end of this round, you will have 12 stitches total. For rounds 3 and 4, simply work 1 single crochet in each stitch around. You will have 12 stitches per round. Easy! Round 5 is where we start shaping the body. We'll do 1 single crochet, then 1 decrease and repeat this sequence 4 times. For the decrease, I'm going to work in the front loops only in the next 2 stitches. That is called invisible decrease, but you can use any other technique that you like. Next, 1 single crochet, and again decrease. One single crochet, decrease. One single crochet and last decrease. At the end of round 5 you'll have 8 stitches total. Now it's time to make the tentacles. We'll be working in the front loop only for this part. Start by making 1 single crochet in the front loop of a stitch. Next, chain 2. Then, in the second chain from the hook, make 1 single crochet. To finish the first tentacle, make a slip stitch in the front loop where you started the first single crochet. Repeat this process around the bottom of the octopus to make all the tentacles. Each one is quick and fun, and they'll give your octopus that cute curly look. Before we finish the body, we're going to add the safety eyes. Place them between round 3 and round 4, making sure they're evenly spaced and positioned where you want your octopus's cute little face to be. Now it's time to give our octopus a little stuffing to make it soft and cuddly. Gently fill the body, but be careful not to overstuff. It should be soft but still hold its shape. Once you're happy with the shape, we can move on to closing the body. Start with a slip stitch here. To close the body, we are going to use the back loops from the last round. First, we're gonna make one single crochet, then one decrease, next we're going to make one single crochet, another single crochet, and decrease. After that, chain one, cut the yarn and pull the yarn through. To finish, grab your yarn needle and work through the front loop of the stitches only. Then gently tighten the yarn to close the bottom completely. Now for the final touches. Take your yarn needle and wave it several times through the body of the octopus to secure everything. Once it feels sturdy, cut the yarn and give your octopus a little final shaping with your hands. And that's it! Your cute little octopus is complete. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.